Hello all, welcome to Core Java Programming Tutorial Series. In today's session, we are going to install Java JDK on our machine. Before we start, let's get familiar with few terminology used with Java. They are JDK, JRE and JVM. I'm going to briefly explain the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. But I'm planning to create a separate session just to deep dive into all three of this term. The first is JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and JVM is responsible for executing Java program line by line. Hence, it is also known as interpreter. Second is JRE, which includes JVM and is a software layer that runs on the top of your computer operating system and provide the class libraries and other resources to run the Java program. And third one is JDK, which is Java Development Kit. This includes JRE and set of tools needed for developing the Java program. So for today's session, we are going to install JDK because we are planning to develop some Java classes later on section. So today we'll be installing a JDK on our computer. So who provides the JDK, from where we can get the JDK? So right now there are multiple providers for JDK. One is OpenJDK, which is developed by the Java community and which is free for commercial use. Second is Oracle JDK, which is provided by Oracle, and this is free to use if you're using for your training or for development, but it's not free for you for commercial use. So if you're using it for your development or training, you can use Oracle JDK, but if you're using something in production, you need to get a license from Oracle. And there are other providers as well, like IBM, Amazon, and a few more. But for our today's tutorial, we are going to download the JDK from Oracle. Again, once we decided we are going to install JDK, the next question is which version of JDK we should install. So Java releases new version every 6 months, and on every alternate year they release a software version which has long-term support. That means the provider is going to support that for long term. So in the currently JDK 17 is the latest long-term support version of Java. To get more information about the Java version, you can refer this Wikipedia, which has all the information, which version is released in which year or which month, and which one is a long-term support version. So let's use JDK 7 for this tutorial. As I mentioned in the previous slide, we are going to install JDK from Oracle, and this is a URL for that. So let me switch to my browser and let's download JDK. So this is a URL from where we can download Oracle JDK. I'm going to provide the URL in description, so it's easy for you to refer. So this is JDK, and if you go on page, you'll see multiple options, like whether you want to install for Linux, Mac OS or Windows. Currently I'm using Mac OS, so I'll be using Mac OS, but depending on your OS, you can download the JDK version as per your operating system. So I'll be installing ARM64 DMG installer. The only reason I'm selecting this because this is very easy to install and show how to install JDK as compared to installing some different format. So here it's downloading JDK. And with downloading JDK, let's open that file. So here is the JDK package. I'll just double click. And let's continue. You have to be admin on your machine to install Java. Installation successful. Okay, we are done with installing JDK. Now let's verify whether JDK is installed properly or not. So for this we'll be using terminal. You can use terminal on Mac or Windows. So let's open the terminal, and here type java minus version. It's showing Java 17. This is what we installed, so looks like JDK is installed successfully. So after installation, just for information, JDK path on Mac, in case if you really want to see where the JDK is installed, you can simply go to this path library Java virtual machine, and this might have multiple JDK, but it will show up the JDK which we install. With this, we are done with this session of Core Java tutorial. For any clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next session of Core Java tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.